How to create the Wix photo gallery. In order to do that, let's first head over to our Wix website editor and then just locate the page wherein you want to add that. Now in here, I have added in here a strip. So once on your strip right here, you have the option to add your photo gallery. Just click on this plus icon right here. And then from there, you can see this option for gallery. Now we have in here our recommended galleries like read galleries, slide galleries, and a lot more. So let me head over and then just use this masonry right here. So they have a lot of options. You can also head over and then just choose which one you want. So I have added this gallery right here and you should be able to see this as well. So on this right here, you have the option to change your images. So click on this change images and then from in there, just choose the image that you want to use. Like for example, let's click on this add images from in here and you can also replace it to your liking as well. So for this one, let me head over and click on this right here. And we have in here our Wix gallery. You can start uploading your files if you want. Click on this upload media right here. Or you can also drag or click on this upload from computer option. So I will upload from computer and I will use in here my actual gallery pictures. So for me, I'll just choose this four right here as well as this ones and then click on open. And then once I've opened that, they will be uploaded for this case. Now in here, you can see the progress of their upload. Now, once they've been uploaded already, you can see them in here as well. And you can see their actual location and their real-time observation. Now in here, once they've been added, you can head over and then just choose them right here. So you can also just choose all of them right here. Then click on this add to gallery option. And now we have this. So you can also just delete some things that you don't want for this gallery of yours. So I'll head over and then just choose this 6 right here and click on done. And then as you can see, they've now been reflected right. So that's how you create the Wix photo gallery. Hope we helped.